Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel. I just wanted to do a quick review of this that I purchased, which is a Beelink mini PC, the SEI 8 Intel 8th generation 4-core i5. As you see here, the description, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of SSD. It has Windows 10 Pro, and it's what they call a high-performance mini PC. It's that cube that you see here on the left. And it has two HDMI out. It has ample ports of USB 4, USB, including USB-C. And it is made by Beelink. And I came across this brand while I was actually searching for a very low-cost PC. So I purchased one which was lower grade. It was a 6th generation i5, but I didn't want to pay a lot of money, and I would put it on my big screen, and it worked fine. It was a little underpowered, but it did work fine, and for the price paid, I was actually satisfied. It did what I wanted. So now that I am reorganizing completely the office space here, I was thinking of getting something that still is a small mini PC that doesn't take a lot of space, that I could put on my 55-inch TV, and that is more powerful. And this one is actually that. It's more powerful. I paid 600 and some Canadian dollars, which is, roughly 500 and something US probably, when I purchased it. It is very powerful, works great. This is what is running Windows 11, and it actually is compatible with Windows 11, has TPM 2.0. It's an 8th generation or more, so it is totally compatible with everything Windows 11. It's actually running the Windows 11 dev channel right now. And I've been very happy and wanted to talk about it a little bit. So it has the Intel Iris Plus graphics, which is okay, but not something fantastic. You can, of course, tweak it and have more memory if you want and so on. And they do have, on the Beelink page, customization. You can actually go and customize it to your own liking and make it a super powerful mini PC. What is nice is it doesn't happen very often. They actually give you instructions and all the little brackets that you need to even upgrade it yourself. If you want to upgrade the RAM, the solid state drive, if you want to add a regular hard drive, mechanical hard drive for more storage. This is cool because it doesn't happen often that they actually give you everything needed for this type of computer, that they actually want you to open it and tweak it if you want, which is really nice. So for that, I give a really big kudos, because most manufacturers don't want you to go and play in the devices. So this is what I've got, and it really, really is a nice, powerful machine. I really recommend it, honestly. And so if you do come across Beelink mini PCs, take a look at their products, because I have two now, and both are being used daily and are really nice. Sound-wise, you might see some comments. It does have a fan. This one is more powerful, so the fan is rarely ticking at high speed, but be warned that you definitely hear the fan when it's in high speed. I personally find it manageable. Some people find it annoying. It depends how quiet it is in your room, of course. The lower powered one, actually, the fan runs much more, because, if you ask for a little more power in your applications, it could be something that you are going to hear more. On this one, the higher end, actually it is very quiet, and I don't hear the fan very often. But like I said, if you run high-powered applications, you probably will hear the fan if it's quiet in the room. But honestly, I find it cool. I find it works great. And it's definitely what's driving my main Windows 11 PC right now, and it's one of my main computers, basically. So I purchased it on Amazon, but they have the Beelink store online that you can check out. and check their products. I personally find it nice because it's a small little cube, no big PCs lying around, and has everything you need to just work great. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.